XRP holders, I've got some breaking news for you right now. XRP price is breaking down, but how low is it going to go? And are you going to sell your XRP coins to the people trying to buy your bags, trying to scoop all that XRP up out from under you? Let me know in the comments section below. Are you going to let that happen? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C. Today we're talking about XRP. It's a very interesting things about XRP. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop to this video. All right, guys, so first things first, over on Crypto Twitter, follow me at 333BlackC. I want to say, would this change your life, XRP holders? And this is the Ripple CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, says, has everybody thought about why you get paid once a month or once every 2 weeks? It comes down to the friction of payments. And if we can remove the friction of payments, why can't you get paid every day or every hour or every second? Let me know in the comments section what you think about that. Would that change your life? That's why I really wanted to ask that. That's why I reposted this on my Twitter page, and I said, would this change your life? Because I think that it probably would impact a lot of people. Would it impact my life? I don't quite know. I think it'd be nice to get paid by the hour, exactly on the hour, but I don't think that I'm not an hourly worker, so it would be a little bit different. But I think that it probably would have a much broader impact on the entire globe. I think that it could be life-changing for some people. Some people get paid, once a month, and they need that money now. They have to budget out. Or some people only get paid once a year. What if you were to actually get paid day by day or even hour by hour? I think it is pretty interesting. I do think that we will see a world where this does happen sooner rather than later. But just an interesting thought. I really want to know what you guys think about that. I also want to take a look at XRP because the price is breaking down below right now. An important level. I say that, but really, I think that they're really just trying to push this price down. We've been chopping around for a significant amount of time here. They might try to push the price down to about like $2.25. Would not be surprised to see a tap off of that before we just... guys, the entire crypto market is pretty range bound right now. I have to be honest with you. But I do think that as of right now, XRP probably goes a little bit lower. But I'm not going to say that we're going to break down lower than $2.24 unless we see a massive market-wide capitulation event, whether that's time capitulation, where everyone gets so bored of the sideways chop and they sell because they can't withstand just having their money sitting there, or if there's somewhat of a broader sell-off with Bitcoin and that brings everything down with it. But regardless, I do think that we could probably come down to here, but I'm not going to say that we're going to break down below it unless we start to make some questionable price action near this level at around $2.24. And you look at Market Cypher as well. You see the money flow is still coming out. It's pretty steep on the momentum wave, but you see like this cluster here of like green dot, red dot, green dot. We're consolidating, guys. It is just chopping, crab market. Every rip turns into a dip. Bang, boom, bang, boom. It is just a crab market. It is just whipsawing back and forth, back and forth. So I would say that potentially it would be a good time to maybe open up a short on XRP, just a little one. Not saying short it to zero. I'm saying that to hedge against your spot position if you want to make some money down while it breaks down here, because it probably does continue this breakdown a little bit further, then check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, and as well as they just gave a awesome reward for you guys, for the Crypto Report viewers, the next 100 people to sign up and deposit $100 get $10 of XRP for free, guys. So it's a first come, first serve. It's the first 100 people. So sign up down below right away if you want to get access to that. But regardless, I do think the exchange and the platform is fantastic. And I do think that probably would be a good time to hedge to the downside here on XRP. But we really got to pick this apart a little bit more. I want to say over on Crypto Twitter, I also posted, I said, how crazy is it that we are about to come full circle? First, the SEC fails to make an example out of the XRP, because that's really what it was. Like, all semantics aside, the SEC tried to slow down the innovation of the cryptocurrency space, and target number one was XRP, and they went full force, filing lawsuits, and they were the first crypto to really get a lawsuit filed against them by the SEC, and it's been a long road, hasn't it, guys? It's been a long road. And they were trying to make an example out of XRP. And guess what? They failed. They failed. And I say, now we are getting ready for the SEC to approve a spot XRP ETF. Isn't that funny? Full circle, full circle. Now the SEC is getting ready to approve a spot ETF for the quote-unquote product that was not following the rules and regulations of the SEC. Very funny how times change. And it's a very nice feeling knowing that I think we're finally moving in the right direction, that cryptocurrency is going to start to be more innovative, especially after the past couple weeks here where we saw meme coins actually get destroyed, and people are starting to kind of see through that veil that meme coins are kind of just there to extract liquidity, and the people creating the meme coins are the ones making all the money, and everyone else is it's really just kind of gambling. It's very tough to make money on meme coins. You have to get very, very lucky. But it is funny that we've come full circle here with the SEC, and I think that XRP SPY ETF will be absolutely massive. And I think that XRP and Ripple are really doing a great job getting into that global stage. We've been talking about how the Japanese banks, 80% of them are getting ready to integrate XRP. 80%. That's a big number, guys. So looking at XRP, we're sitting at rank 3. We're down about 9.41% in the past 7 days, down about 4% in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin is kind of just bringing us down here. Yeah, like it's funny because you look at Bitcoin, we're down 1% in the past 7 days. It's not much, and down 1% in the past 24 hours. But the altcoins are just getting beaten up, guys. They can't take it. You know, look at Solana at $158. That's pretty incredible. But I will say, you know, we're still sitting at $140 billion market cap, $142 billion market cap for XRP. It's pretty strong. That's showing some good strength. It is not capitulating like 99% of all their altcoins right now. And you look at Bitcoin dominance, it's bullish. We are postured to the upside. I've been talking about this trigger wave down here like this. This little green dot here usually indicates that we're getting ready to see a big move to the upside. And yeah, we did see that, but I said that this seemed like it was going to supersede the bearish price action for Bitcoin dominance. And well, look at that. We're testing the breakdown and probably goes higher. And I will say, though, out of all the altcoins out there, with Bitcoin rallying, I'm not that worried about XRP falling off. I'm not. It's really proven itself. And I think that a lot has changed over the past 7, 8, 9 years. And I think that XRP is probably going to stay one of the behemoths of the cryptocurrency space. I really do. They're just getting, I think the CEO really knows what he's doing, and they're getting more and more on that global stage, and that's extremely important. I think what we're seeing happen right now, why we're seeing altcoins sell off significantly, is because Bitcoin is breaking below pretty key support levels. This trend line, this bullish trend line on the daily, we've broken below, and this is turning into more of like a pennant pattern instead of a ascending channel. And when you look at the weekly time frame, this is kind of what has me a little bit worried in the short term here. We have a weekly candle closure below this level, but we can wick all the way down to like $94,400 and be fine. But even if we do start to see these candle closures below here, guys, I don't think it's going to be for that long of a time. And if we do, as long as we don't break below this overall structure here, like I'll start to be concerned if I see weekly candle closures below like 94,000. If we see weekly candle closures below 94,000, we'll say, hey guys, we're probably going to be coming down and testing this 88, 89,000, and the altcoins are probably going to get devastated. And they already have been devastated. But XRP has been very strong. It's been very strong. But that's why I am saying that I think that I'm not opposed to opening up short positions on XRP right now as a hedge. That is not financial advice, but it's just what I'm seeing, and I'm probably going to enter some shorts myself here, especially if we see this price action play out during market open on Monday. But guys, let me know in the comments below. I'm very curious on what you have to say about XRP and how they're talking about the reason why everyone gets paid like every week or bi-weekly is because of the friction. And would it change your life if you were to be able to get paid for what you do? If you're, like, say, if you work a hourly rate or you get paid bi-weekly, or you have a salary and you get paid bi-weekly, Would it change your life if you get paid by the hour, or like every hour you work, immediately it's deposited in your bank account? I'm very curious on what you have to think about that. Let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious. But that's all I got, guys. I'll see you next one. Sign up to Blowfin. First 100 people get $10 in XRP if you deposit $100. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.